guys, welcome to GlamorousMorana channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. If you already a subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back to my channel. So today video we're going to be talking about how I grew my hair back to a certain length. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Okay, so let's go back to 2016. Okay, so 2016 I had the beautiful longest hair ever. And I think my hair, like, it was like from here, it was like long, right? Then all of the sudden, heading to 2017, 2018, my hair just, the whole thing dropped. Like, my hair wasn't completely bald, but it was short. Like, I cut it. It was short like a man hair. Like, I cut my hair. It was so short, and I just didn't want to take a picture of it. It was short, and all of the sudden, like, all of my perm hair just dropped, and it became natural as natural can be. So it was 2018, 2019 that 2018, 2019, I decided that I need to grow my hair back to the way it was. It wasn't easy at all, because to maintain, to get length, it wasn't easy, but I was on a mission to grow my hair back. So I'm gonna take the cap off. Now it's so hot. I wanted to hot comb it, flat iron my hair so you guys could see like the length of it, but man, it's hot, very hot. So this is the length of my hair right now. This is the length of it, and it wasn't that long at all. Oh my god. It's growing. So give it a couple months and it's gonna grow super long. You can see, imagine if I straighten that, you see the length that it's giving. So what I did to grow my hair back, and I'm still in the growing hair journey, is now, for everyone who is natural, I'm so happy for you that you're natural and you love your natural and all kind of stuff, but I just couldn't go natural at all, because the type of hair I have, like, if I don't put a relaxer on that, it gets really hard for me to manage my own hair. So I'm very sorry for everyone who is natural, but I can't go natural, and that's okay, because some people can go natural and they're fine, they can buy products. I don't know, people say that growing natural is kind of easier but to me it's not easier, because your natural hair needs products. Just water is not gonna help it. You have to keep on buying products and all kind of stuff. But when my hair relaxed, like once I perm it, you still have to like buy products to, you know, it more manageable than natural hair. But anyway, so when I was starting my growth journey, I had to stop relaxing my hair for like a year. So I would relax my hair like so I had to try to grow back my hair the way it was. Okay, so what I did was stop relaxing my hair for a short period of time. So I would only relax my hair every 9 months. Okay, every 9 months I would relax my hair, and then I would wait till the 9 months and then relax it again. The reason is for my growth, because I used to relax my hair every 3 months, and some people might relax their hair every 5 months, right? But the growth that I was going on, I didn't want to put a lot of weight in my hair, and I wanted my hair to maintain length. I didn't want, relaxing is good, right? But too much relaxing is not really good for your hair. So I had to relax my hair every 9 months. And as that 9 months journey is not really about relaxing my hair 9 months that grow my hair, it's the type of thing I was doing with my hair. I either had protected hairstyles like braids, I braid my hair, put sew-ins, and I made sure to grease my hair every single night. I didn't miss one night without me greasing my hair, and I made sure to tie my hair with a scarf or a hair bonnet before I go to sleep, because if you go to sleep with your hair not tied with nothing on it and you go to sleep with your pillow, I don't know the last time, like, if I sleep with my hair out, is either that I'm going to wash my hair the next day. That's the only time like you will see my hair out without no scalp or whatnot in my hair. That's the only time, like if I'm going to wash my hair the other day, then I'll just leave my hair out. But other than that, I never see myself sleeping without a hair protective thing in my hair, because the pillow, the blankets, they eat up your hair and it makes your hair really dry. So I avoided that, and I made sure I got myself some hair treatments. I use Afro treatment, I use do growth treatment, and I have some videos on my channel of me using them. I use aloe, I use all kind of stuff in my hair. I make sure I use Vaseline, I make sure I grease my hair, I make sure I braid my hair so it can stay a good time. Now if you see I like, if I put a braid in my hair, I'm either leaving that for like 3 months in my hair, then I loose it, wash it, then put some else back in my hair. Like literally my hair was in a sew-in, but it was too hot because the summer is super hot, and my hair like was very itchy because I suffer from dandruff, and it was super hot, and I was like, I need to take this thing out, so I had to take it out. But other than that, I don't really leave my hair out. So that was the main thing that grew my hair. And I know a lot of people saying drinking water and all kind of stuff. To be honest, I don't drink water like a lot, but yeah, it's good to drink water. And if you want your hair, to be honest with you, people that say like you gotta take vitamins for your hair and all kind of stuff, to be honest, I don't really, my, like, even when my hair was like super long, I never took vitamins. Like I just braid my hair, grease my hair, buy oils, organic oil and all kind of stuff to grow my hair, and it just grew. Like, to me, it's like, to me, vitamins do grow your hair, but it's also maintaining your actual hair and doing a routine. Like if you want something to grow, like even with my nails, like I had like super long nails, but I cut them. I cut them because the way I filed it, it was too soft, so I cut everything off, and I'm trying to grow it again. And I have that secret to growing nails too, like the secret on growing your nails. Like give you 3 months, give yourself 3 months to grow your nails, and your nails can grow, because I have something like I just use on my nails, so I'm not worried about that because it's gonna grow anyhow. But your hair is like, even with your face, if you want to have like beautiful skin, beautiful everything, you have to have like a routine. So I made sure I have a routine every single day, and I don't miss one day of the routine. Even though if I miss one day, I'll catch it back tomorrow. So if you want to grow your hair, the really main thing is to have a routine. Make sure grease your hair, use oils in your hair, make sure use a hair bonnet in your hair, make sure don't put a lot of heat in your hair, make sure don't use a lot of chemicals in your hair, and one word is to let your hair breathe. Do not manipulate with your hair, do not fool with your hair. Okay, so this is, you see the length of my hair, and my hair was never this length, and I wanted to fly in my hair so you guys could see like the length of it, but it was too hot. So yeah, this is the length of my hair, guys. If I flat iron this hair, it's gonna be like super long. And yeah, so I just wanted to share. I don't know if you like that, but there's a part of my hair where this side is always longer than the other side. I don't know why, but it always grow longer. Yeah, so I just wanted to share. I don't want to talk a lot. I hate watching videos and people like talking a lot and they're not really getting to the point. But that is the main thing: growing your hair, getting protected styles. Make sure you're using your oils. Make sure you're using your scarf and all kind of stuff. And that's like the main thing for me for growing my hair. And drinking vitamin. I'm gonna start to put vitamins in my hair regimen, because you really need hair vitamins, because it make your hair stronger and it won't allow your hair to break. So I'm gonna make sure to put I'm gonna make sure to start taking vitamins for my hair and drinking a lot of water. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to click and subscribe to my channel. Here we go.